can you burp on command? Yes, I can. Oh, the first one is just always so massive. What? Why? Why not? Oh, it's whoa! Wow! I have some fluffy in my pants. You wanna see it? Stop something in me, it says. Magic unicorn with the softest tongue ever, just licking it. No joke. Should I move on or go with the flow? What the fuck, woman? Whoosh! Also, you can't look me in the eyes because my eyes are gonna be like. Don't. No. Just. Holy fucking tot shit! Are you fucking holy shit? Fuck titty fucking wow! What are you? Fudge me in the butthole! Oh my god! It's a female on her period. She is so angry. She says like. Did you hear that, guys? You cannot tease with your stick. That's not allowed. You will get unsatisfied pussies. Whoa, I missed that. I didn't know I missed that, but I missed that. Absolutely. Oh! I like a bit in box and I can't not lie. You other box can't deny. I wanna go walks in with the itty bitty waist of rock bit in your face. You get it wrong. But thank you so much, Summer. Can you share it on my face, please? Just. Sexy bead. Oh. But you know, when I get nervous, I smile a lot. So all of the pictures, I'm looking like this. The buns. The butt buns. All these buns? Not these buns, right, Styles? That would be weird. I don't know how you get up the stairs, but I don't use my titties. Awkward dance! Awkward dance! So, I think... I hope that went good. I hope that was good, guys.